Hi, folks. We're back, and Jim and I are going to show you this really awesome Diivoo 2-zone brass sprinkler timer. And we're really excited because, well, quick little backyard episode today to show you because we are here to solve a problem that we apparently refuse to learn from. We start filling our pond and then we get distracted. And then we suddenly remember the hose is still running like we're trying to create a second Lake Wisconsin. So we're starting inside here because I want you to see exactly what you're going to be actually getting when you buy this. Here's the timer itself, and Jim already installed the batteries for us. So it runs on 2 AA batteries, and I'll give you one little tip right now. Use regular alkaline batteries, not rechargeables, because these timers can get a little finicky with voltage. And if you're like me and you don't want surprises, well, pop a fresh set in and start with your watering season. So now the first reason we chose this one is it's brass. The inlets and outlets are solid brass, not plastic. And if you've ever had a plastic timer crack, leak, or just brittle after being out in the sun, you'd understand why that matters. This feels sturdy, like it's meant to live outdoors. Second reason we got this is because it's a true 2-zone timer. And I love this because most of us don't have just one watering job. You've got the lawn, we've got flower beds, all of our veggie beds, drip lines, maybe a soaker hose, and maybe you're filling something like a pond, like we are. And those things should not all be the same schedule. So with this one, each time zone can run independently. Different start times, different durations, different frequencies. So you can baby your delicate beds without overwatering your lawn. Or in our case, well, you can fill your pond on one time zone and still have a separate setup for your watering. And the screen is big and clear, which I appreciate because I'm usually doing this with sunglasses on, or Jim is, in our bright sun, and our dog usually is trying to help us. So, it shows the time, what zone you're on, and what's coming next, so you're not guessing. So we are going to choose to use this timer to keep our pond filled. It's in the 90s here in Madison, Wisconsin, and the water's evaporating. So we're going to choose to have it just put in like a half hour's worth of fresh water for the fish each day.
Now we're using this timer to fill up our pond. We want to fill it up for 60 minutes so we won't forget about it and overfill the pond. I set it to manual. There's manual. And those are the minutes that we want to fill the pond up for. So I'm going to do 65 minutes. I'm going to turn the water on, and the water is going through the hose.
Okay.
I'm going to turn it off right now.
So overall, if you want something that's sturdy, easy to read, and gives you 2 independent zones, plus the ability to do quick manual watering without messing up your programs, well, this one has been a really great addition to our backyard setup. And honestly, the best feature of all is the one you don't see on the box. It helps us stop wasting water when we get distracted, which happens all the time. I think that's our signature talent. So Consistency is my standard, and friendly reminder I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link. At no extra cost to you, your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much. We appreciate you. There we go. Hi, little fishies. Got some cold water coming in. Oh.